In the second part of writing the outline, we will show you how to break down your topics. The next part to write your paper is to discuss important information that you would like to teach your audience about your topics. Let's continue to use the same example that we used in my previous video. Let's use social life of bees. The social life of bees is the overarching of these subjects. But within those subjects are subtopics. I want to talk about their work habits, reproductive habits, and defense against predators. All of these have an interaction that bees have. I want to teach my audience about that. So now, I have to ask myself, what specifically do I want my subtopics to be about? When I talk about work habits, I would like to talk about their activities like cleaning the hive, collecting pollen, and feeding the hive. List them down for now, so later you can do your research. See, we had a large main topic, and we broke it down to the details of work habits. See, you got to do this with each and every one of your subjects. In part 3, we will show you how to cite these sources of information.